Hello everyone and welcome to a great learning experience with Saoirse, who is great. Today we're going to be learning about algebraic expressions and like terms. That's lesson 2.5b in your books, page 81. Alright, let's get started. So parts of an algebraic expression are called terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variables raised to the same exponents. A term without a variable, such as 4, is called a constant. Constant terms are also like terms. Okay, so there's a little chart right here. So these are like terms over here. So 3 and -4 are like terms because you can group them together, okay? But x and 5 are unlike terms because you can't put 5 and x together. You can't put 2x and 6j together because they have different variables, which are like x and j, those are the variables, so they have different variables, so you can't group them together. But you can group -2x and 7x together because they have the same variable. Right, so we got that. Great. Alright, so in this example, we're going to be identifying terms and like terms. So these are all terms, obviously, okay, but we want to find the ones that are alike and we can group them together. So the first thing I want to look at is the middle, okay? So we see right here, 7 plus -2. Those are like terms because they can be grouped together. And we can bring those down. 7 plus -2 is 5, okay? And then the next I see is 9x and -x, okay? So we can group those together by doing 9x minus x is 8x, okay? So now this problem becomes 8x plus 5. And that is all we can do with this problem because we can't combine 8x plus 5 because they are not like terms. And when you have it brought down to this, it's in its simplest form. So that means it has no like terms and no parentheses. There's nothing left to combine. So it's in its simplest form, okay? So go ahead and try this one on your own. Find the like terms and bring it down to the simplest form, okay? When you're ready, pause the video. Okay, so looking through here, I'm going to look for my like terms, and I see 5z, 3z, and z. So I can bring those down to be 5z minus 3z is 2z, 2z plus z is 3z, okay? Then I bring down the 6, and this becomes 6 plus 3z, and that is in its simplest form because there is nothing left to combine. There are no like terms and no parentheses. So just a quick reminder, simplest form, no like terms, no parentheses, nothing, absolutely nothing left to combine, then you just leave it. You don't touch it, you don't do anything, you just leave it in its simplest form, alright? Great, guys. Alright, let's do another example. So we have 3 over 4y plus 12 minus 1/2y minus 6. So I'm going to look for my like terms. So these are like, and these are alike. So I'm going to bring my 12 minus 6, which is 6, plus 3 over 4y minus 1/2y. Well, if we look at that, we notice they're not in the same format, but we can make them into the same format so they are still in the same, they can still work together. So if we take 1/2 and we make it in the same form, so now it becomes 2 over 4y. So 3 over 4y minus 2 over 4y would be 1 over 4y, okay? So this is our simplest form answer. We can't combine anything else because there are no like terms and no parentheses. Go ahead and try this one on your own, and when you're ready, pause the video for the answer. Okay, looking for my like terms, I see 3a and 4.5a and 7.9 and 5.3. So 7.9 minus 5.3 is 2.6, and 4.5, -4.5 plus 3 is negative 1.5a. So the answer is negative 1.5a plus 2.6. That is our final answer because there are no like terms. It's in the simplest form. Alright, you guys did a great job. This lesson was really short, but I hope that it was able to help you do what you need to do in math. This has been another great learning experience with Saoirse, who is great, telling you guys to have a great day because you guys are so awesome. And yeah.